Hi, this is Victoria from the Actual Agency Content Team. The evolving landscape of artificial intelligence is redefining how organizations operate and compete. In a recent Digital Trailblazers webinar hosted by Isaac Sokolic, experts discussed the future of AI and governance. These are the key takeaways for B2B tech companies deploying autonomous AI agents. One of the central frameworks came from Jensen Huang, who described 4 waves of AI: perception, generative, reasoning, and physical. Right now, we're firmly in the reasoning wave, where AI agents can reason, learn, and act. Success depends on blending machine intelligence with human judgment. The discussion also introduced the idea of frontier firms, organizations that don't just experiment with AI, but embed it into their operations. These companies combine human expertise with AI insights, build systems that are AI-operated but human-led, and move quickly from small pilots to mission-critical applications. It's not about being on the bleeding edge. It's about creating real business value while managing risk. Another standout theme was the rise of human agent teams. We're already seeing examples: agents reviewing software code, monitoring compliance, and supporting cybersecurity analysts in detecting threats. What makes this collaboration powerful is the ability to communicate in natural language, which allows for seamless teamwork and faster decisions. The panel also highlighted innovations driving this transformation. White coding, programming through natural language, makes development more accessible. Agentic AI describes autonomous entities that can learn and adapt but remain guided by humans. And the Internet of Agents refers to AI systems communicating in English to coordinate complex workflows. Together, these advances are making AI more scalable and easier to adopt. Of course, adopting AI is as much cultural as it is technological. Organizations that succeed are those where leaders encourage experimentation, advocate for adoption, and create what was called a department of no, not a department of no. At the same time, governance is critical. Flexible frameworks for data, security, and compliance help companies stay adaptable as AI and regulatory landscapes evolve. For implementation, the panel recommended a phased approach: crawl, walk, run, flight, starting with low-risk internal functions and then scaling up to more complex and customer-facing applications. But leaders were cautioned not to rush. AI must be treated like core infrastructure, with trust, ethics, and compliance always at the center. The message was clear: thriving in the AI era requires strategy, governance, and cultural change. Organizations that embrace human-agent collaboration, build strong governance, and commit to continuous learning have the potential to become true frontier firms, leading the digital future. I'm Victoria from the Actual Agency Content Team. Thanks for listening.